Wells Fargo today. Price target to 155 from 125. Don't forget, they just had the 10-for-1 split. So we watched that, and other chips are ripping today, too. It's not just the NVIDIAs of the world. Kristina Partsinevelos is here at Post 9 to tell us all about that. What should we watch for today?
Well, for NVIDIA, Rosenblatt also increased their price target to $200, and it actually plays into Josh's comments about networking for Wells Fargo, because they're commenting on NVIDIA's Spectrum X, which is the networking. So when you buy all these GPUs, you need something to connect them, and that's where NVIDIA can also compete. But that means it would infringe on Broadcom space, Arista space, Cisco space, HPE space. So something to consider, too, when you're talking about NVIDIA. For AMD, you mentioned AI PC. Today, though, the stock is down. There is a report of a hacker that got product information as well as employee information. I've reached out to AMD for just some comment to confirm that. Nonetheless, the stock is reacting, and the stock is really, only up, less than 5% year to date. So really underperforming a lot of these AI plays. Speaking of AI, PC, and all that, Qualcomm is a name that comes to mind. Yesterday, there was an analyst, Ming Chi Kuo, I should say. He's really well known in the chip space as well as the Apple space. He tweeted that Qualcomm would be the sole supplier of a system on the chip for Samsung. Mm-hmm. And because of that, you saw the stock just go up. As well, he also said that Qualcomm was increasing its prices for that particular
by
chip.
A lot.
Up to what?
Up to 30%.
Exactly. So that really helps margins, especially if Qualcomm goes ahead and decreases the price of its AI PC chip from Microsoft. So I think margins are a big story for a lot of these AI plays in the next little while, especially if TSMC, I know I'm throwing a lot at the audience right now, but TSMC is reported to increase prices for their 3-nanometer processes, and that will eat into Apple, NVIDIA, the list goes on.
Taiwan Semi new record high, Qualcomm new record high, Broadcom new record high. You own Qualcomm, and then we'll get to the others in a minute.
Bought Qualcomm at the end of April. We have a 38% gain on it. We bought it for momentum, but the reasons behind the advance in the stock, which is up 58% year to date, is fundamentals. And if you think about the introduction of AI in 2023, we sat here and we tried to identify who would be the winners, and the winners surrounded the data center. It was all about NVIDIA. Now the opportunity source for winning is broadening out more. Now it's about smartphones, it's about PCs, and that leads you exactly to where Qualcomm with Snapdragon X is able to execute. And they're executing remarkably. Their earnings growth in 2024 is up 45%. The expectation is next year you're talking about up 25%. And Jenny, it's a reasonable valuation at only 21 times.
Stephanie Link, Broadcom's up 62% year to date. You added to it a month ago. It doesn't get the headlines daily that NVIDIA does, but you can still get 62%. You might not get the 171% gain out of NVIDIA, but that doesn't mean it's the only stock that's performed really well.
Maybe it plays catch up.
Maybe it does.
I mean, they had an amazing quarter.
Maybe the multiple's not what some would suggest when they look at NVIDIA. Well, I mean, not that that's the greatest example.
Yeah, when you think about, though, if you think about earnings power, I actually think that this company in the next 2 years could see earnings power of $70 to $75 a share. So that puts this thing at like 24 times. And they're going to grow revenues double digits, like 16 to 20%. It's AI, it's non-AI, and non-AI hasn't even joined the party yet. We're still in a trough in the non-AI part of their business. And then VMware is going to go from 20% to 40% of their revenues. And software has much higher margins, and so that's going to help the margin structure as well. I also think the free cash flow gets totally unappreciated, and I think that they are going to increase the dividend again in the fourth quarter, likely in December. That'll be a nice catalyst as well.
Josh teed us up earlier when he was talking about Micron and this new record high, Dell and everything else. Kristina, thank you.